Huawei has just taken a bold step in the tech world, unveiling its latest operating system, HarmonyOS Next. What makes this release monumental is that Huawei has fully moved away from Android, creating a unique ecosystem built from the ground up. HarmonyOS Next no longer relies on Android's framework, signaling Huawei's independence in the global smartphone market. The company is focusing on the Internet of Everything, where every device in your life is interconnected. With HarmonyOS Next, your Huawei phone isn't just a phone. It becomes the control center for your entire digital world. Huawei smartphones can now control their luxury 80M9 car. Users can fully control the vehicle through their phone, including remotely parking or unparking it with just a few taps. The new features of HarmonyOS Next continue to impress. Huawei is focusing on speed, security, and connectivity. The operating system is designed to optimize performance across multiple devices, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or even smart TVs and watches. By creating a unified platform, Huawei is making sure that switching between devices is as seamless as possible. HarmonyOS Next is more than just an OS. It's the beginning of Huawei's vision for a future where all devices, from phones to cars, are integrated into a smart, connected lifestyle. This new ecosystem sets the stage for what could be the next big revolution in mobile technology, and Huawei is clearly leading the charge. Keep an eye out for more, as this is just the beginning. HarmonyOS Next also introduces advanced connectivity features, particularly in how it enables a truly interconnected digital ecosystem. Imagine walking into your home, and with a simple tap on your Huawei device, all your smart home gadgets, from lights and security cameras to kitchen appliances, instantly respond. This Internet of Everything approach is at the core of HarmonyOS Next, aiming to make everyday life more integrated and convenient. Huawei's vision is that in the near future, your phone, car, home, and even workplace will work together seamlessly, improving efficiency and enhancing the user experience. It's not just about individual device performance anymore. It's about creating a fluid, responsive network of all your technology. In terms of security, HarmonyOS Next also promises improvements. With its entirely new architecture, Huawei ensures tighter control over app permissions and data privacy. Additionally, by distancing itself from the Android framework, the system is built to be more resistant to common security flaws found in Android-based systems. Huawei has also optimized battery life and overall system performance, allowing apps to run smoother, multitasking to be more efficient, and energy consumption to be minimized. All these features combine signal Huawei's ambition to not only redefine how smartphones function, but to expand into a broad ecosystem where technology connects every aspect of life. With HarmonyOS Next, Huawei is pushing the boundaries of what an operating system can achieve.